So here's how I went from $0 to 112,000 in 15 days. And this was all done with TikTok Shop's affiliate program, because like you know, it is goated right now. Find a product on the TikTok Shop, make a video about it, post it, and you get commission every time you get a sale. So we're gonna break down exactly how you guys can do this from start to finish. So the magic happened in this account. So we're gonna go from the 17th until like December 3rd. Boom. 112K. Now here's the thing, the commission was booty. I only took home like $13.6 thousand from 112 in sales. Keep in mind that's only like 10% of sales. In the rest of the month of December, I ended up doing around 220,000 in sales. I didn't make the same mistake. Instead, we brought home 40,000 in commission. And if we go to the actual trends for this, you can see the first day that I posted, I think I got like, what, $0 in sales? Second day, $0. Again, I was getting kind of demotivated until the third day kicked in. I'm like, yo, $200 in sales, like $20 in profit, we'll take it. And then finally we boosted up and had our first 14,000 day on November 24th. I'm gonna reveal exactly what I did, the products that I used, and how you guys can do this too. So the first step, obviously, you need a TikTok account that has TikTok Shop affiliate. And also, there's a way to do this outside of the United States, and all you need is a US SIM card. I talk about how to do this in my program, which is in the description. But this video is not about setting up an account. That's boring. Instead, we're gonna break down how this product started the entire thing. This bad boy is a retractable phone charger, and holy crap is it cool. Like, you literally pull it out, it zooms back in. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So this was my account. The first video I posted got like 7 million views, but that didn't come for a while. The first day, I think it had like 1,000 views. The video took some time to take off, but once it did, it's all because of this product. And this thing is a banger. Like, look at that. Right? You let it go, boom, sucks right back in. What I realized when posting this first video is if I show them a problem, right, dangly cords in your car, and then I show them a solution right after, it's gonna hit. And like you know, some of the best products are ones that solve some type of problem, especially when you're doing TikTok Shop. That leads me on to the second one. It needs to solve a problem, but it also has to be unique, something that people have never seen before. And the trick is, if you wanna make banger videos, if you have the product in hand, it's gonna perform 10 times better. So what I always do is I'll go to Amazon, I'll find the exact same product, and I'll order it with overnight shipping. We're talking ASAP pronto, we need that thing in hand. And you can see I ordered this on November 16th, but all I'm gonna say is if you have the product in hand, it's gonna perform 10 times better. Now you can do it without the product, but it's just so much harder to go viral. And after posting that first video, I kind of got the gist of it. And I'm like, yo, you know what? I think I'm gonna try something else. So I tried this next product. So I posted this video on the same exact day that I posted the car charger one. But then what I realized is this one absolutely flopped. It's a great product. It solved the problem. It was unique. It's like a hip seat carrier for moms, but the hook was just booty. Look at this thing. Great deal if you're a new mom or dad. It's horrible. That's so bad. Looking back on this, I'm embarrassed to even show y'all. So all of you guys that are inside of my program, you know that saying great deal is like the worst thing you want to do. And it's because when you say that, it literally comes across like an advertisement right at the beginning. The secret sauce is that you need to make the hook not feel like an advertisement. And honestly, the entire video, it needs to blend into people's For You pages. No one cares about an ad and they're not going to watch it just for fun. So because of that, you need to disguise yourself. Almost like a chameleon. Like they don't even know that it's an advertisement, but it is. And you guys in my community that understand that are making bread, like my boy Vaughn, who made $200 today just by making TikToks. Don't even get me started on my boy Brawler, who brought in $50,000 in sales and over $8,000 in profit in the last 6 days. The community's popping, so if you want to join, links in the description. But what's more important than anything is making sure the call to action at the end of the video is just fire. And at the end, I'm pretty much showing them why it's such a good deal on the TikTok Shop. Because on Amazon, it's $85. On TikTok Shop, it's $53. It's a no-brainer. The only way to keep people from going and buying a product on Amazon is by saying it's cheaper on the TikTok Shop. Because everyone wants Amazon Prime, yo. It takes 2 days to ship in. TikTok is like a week. But people are willing to wait that extra week if the product is a lot cheaper. So on day 2 of posting, I ended up posting this video, right? It was okay, all right? It was about like some, I don't know, like this memory foam thing. But the thing is, the video only got like 18,000 views. It was a decent video, but once again, I mentioned deal in the thing. I didn't realize how bad this was. So started day 2, we came off kind of weak. The next video that I posted only got 1,000 views. And I started to realize, holy crap, whenever I say like deal or anything, it just doesn't hit. Like no one watches it. At this point, it started to click with me. Like, yo, I can't be saying deals. I can't be making this like an advertisement because these products I didn't even have in real life. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try a product that I do have in real life. The hook itself was okay, but it wasn't like good enough to make people want to watch. And the video itself was kind of cool. I mean, I cracked an egg. That thing smelled so bad. And I was still trying, but this was my 5th video. So I'm like, you know what? Let's start again tomorrow. So I posted this video on November 16th, and I posted this video on December 3rd. So here's how I went from $0 to 112,000 in 15 days. And this was all done with TikTok Shop's affiliate program, because like you know, it is goated right now. Find a product on the TikTok Shop, make a video about it, post it, and you get commission every time you get a sale. So what I realized is if you have the product in hand, it's gonna perform 10 times better. So what I do is I'll go to Amazon, I'll find the exact same product, So on day 3, I ended up doing the same thing, right? I made the same mistake. I said deal of the day, some BS, dog edition, but the video still blew up and I was honestly kind of confused. I didn't expect it to. The only reason why it blew up is because deal of the day actually worked out well because Black Friday was coming up in a couple days. So like people were actually looking for deals. On top of that, I directly called out people that like dogs, right? Or have a dog. So make sure that you're calling out directly the audience of people that you want to be marketing to. So if I'm marketing to moms, I'm going to say, hey, if you're a mom, you got to check this thing out for your kid. If you're marketing to dogs, yo, if you have a dog, you're not going to believe how crazy this thing is. Notice how I'm directly calling out that audience. And when you do it, it's literally telling the people, yo, wait, I have a dog. I want to watch this thing. That's what we did here. And it was an incredible video. We're talking 800,000 views and this really took off. I posted a couple other videos the same day. They did all right. The hook wasn't amazing. It was all right, but this one didn't really take off. The next one, I tried it again, but this time I had my dog, right? So this is where I'm going through explaining the product and then towards the end of it, showing off like the crazy discount. And this thing was like 120 on Amazon. I think it was like, I don't know, 70 bucks on the TikTok shop. It was a great Black Friday deal. So everyone snatched it up. This video got like 300,000 views. So fast forward a couple days, I'm doing some trial and error, seeing what works well, and then out of nowhere, this video takes off. Deal of the day, relationship edition. And the reason why this popped was because the hook was just so strong. And it's because we had this chick just sitting there doing like this funny face, which, you know, all the dudes, you know, they're gonna watch the video. So I'm like, you know what, we're gonna stick her in the hook and just use her as clickbait and see if this actually works. Boom, deal of the day, relationship edition. We called out the people that are into relationships. In this video, I really want to show you guys because it honestly is a banger. So let's actually play it. Okay, so if you're in a relationship, I just found the best deal for a Christmas gift. So on Amazon, I found this back, neck, and shoulder massager for around $50. So then I look on the TikTok shop and I find this same exact massager for $26. For 26 bucks, you're telling me your partner isn't gonna fall in love? Come on, look at her face. This insane deal is only on the TikTok shop for a couple more days, so if you want to grab one, now's your chance. Yo, looking back, that video is actually a banger. We applied all the things that I learned from like the first 5 days into this video. Keep in mind, this is like a day or two before Black Friday. Everyone's popping off. I made a little joke here saying like, come on, your girl's not gonna love this. So we ended the day around like 14,000 in sales, which was my best day yet. So we already broke 10,000 a day within, I don't know, the first week. I was hyped. I saw the momentum. So I'm like, you know what? We're just gonna keep going. So fast forward to day 9. I came back with a bang. I got this product in the mail. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to use my dog as clickbait this time. I'm going to actually show off how this thing is used. So for the hook, I said how to groom your dog in under 5 minutes. I gave my dog a bone. For the middle of it, I was pretty much just showing off all the features of the product. Like, yo, look at this thing. You can use it on your dog. It's super cool. And then actually showing the solution to the problem. I was showing how your dog will shed a ton, but this thing, you just like rake it over your dog's fur and boom, look at all that hair. It was incredible. This day we ended up bringing in around 7.6 thousand in sales. Not too shabby at all. Can't complain, but I only posted one video and I should have posted more. Fast forward to day 11, and this video just went bonkers, bro. This was $712,000. I said, grab one of these for your dog. Directly calling out the dog audience, saying the word you, right, or your. That's another little trick. I always say it. Say you, say your, anything like that. It's going to make it feel more personal. And this video was very simple. I'm just using the product again, but in a different way. It was the same product, but a different hook. The middle of it was a little bit different. It was more cinematic. I think I had some music with it, a voiceover. I mean, it was a fire video. So if you have a dog, I highly recommend you grab one of these grooming kits. They're on the TikTok shop for a crazy discount. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to check it out and look how much hair is coming out of my husky. So I grabbed this once again on the TikTok shop. They have a discount that's lasting only a couple more days. So if you want to grab one, this is your chance. Super simple video, right? Clean hook, calling them out directly, saying the word you. I have red text at the top of the screen. This is like a banger one. Always have red text, white text with red letters, just something vibrant. On top of that, at the end of the video, right, you have a solid call to action, right? Showing off the product, saying, hey, this deal is not going to last forever. If you want to check it out, now's your last chance on the TikTok shop. That same day, I posted another video, similar concept. This one got like 144,000. And then I ran out of product ideas and I posted this one again, almost like, yo, it's an affordable Christmas gift. Once again, it looked way too much like an ad, and it makes sense why it didn't get millions of views. So to end off day 11, we did $5.9 thousand in sales. We'll take it. Day 12 is where I can confidently say that my life changed, right? Not only was the money just incredible, but most importantly, I started learning new things about how to sell and what actually works on TikTok. So this was the video. It was about the same product that I posted on the first day, but the thing is that now I used a comment reply, and this video converted so well. I'm talking just incredibly well. And it's all because the hook was actually a comment reply talking about this guy who said, he was honest with the price. And this guy was vouching for me. This is my dude. John Quest, my guy, I owe you one, dude. You're a G. And because of that, he was supporting me, saying I'm honest with the price. So now whenever I talk about it, right, people are going to trust whatever I'm saying. And I'm being authentic and honest in the video. It's pretty much like social proof. When you have social proof, which includes a comment reply, people are going to feel more comfortable watching the video, knowing that other people trust you and they comment and they say good things. If you have a car, you need one of these, which I just bought on Amazon for around 25 bucks. This is one of the coolest car chargers that I've ever seen. The thing is, all these thousands of people are buying it extremely overpriced. You see what I did there? All these thousands of people are buying it extremely overpriced. So I'm almost making the viewer feel like they're a little bit smarter, right? They have the advantage because everyone else is messing up. They're buying it overpriced, but you know, I'm on your team right now. I'm helping you out with the price. I'm going to give you a good deal. And because of that, they want to keep watching. And I just saw on the TikTok shop, there's a crazy deal. You can get this for around 13 bucks. That's 50% off what it is on Amazon. This discount is only live for a couple days, so if you want to grab one, now's your chance. Can we get some shakes for that? That was just a banger. That was banger sales. So that day we ended with about 19,000 in sales. Honestly, the best day yet. So the next day I posted this video and it got 1.2 million views, and I was freaking out because this was the most simple video to make. Like, I didn't even have the product in hand, and I pretty much just showed how I have this one at my house, right? It cost 14 bucks at PetSmart. That's how much I bought it for. But yo, I just got 5 of these things on the TikTok shop for literally the same price. And because of that, I was doing almost like a bundle deal. Everyone saw, yo, why would I buy one of these from PetSmart if I can get 5 of them, right? It's like a 5-for-1 thing. So all the TikTok moms went crazy over this. Everyone bought it. Everyone with a dog was freaking out. And yeah, it's simply showing the viewer why they should be purchasing a product on TikTok as opposed to Amazon or any other place. You know what? I'm going to get off my computer screen and actually go outside. So I got this crazy shot of my car and I put like, you know, the massager, and people were calling these things lava tits. It's hilarious. But yeah, I figured, you know what? I'm going to test it outside. I literally reposted the same exact video. This one had no text. This one had text and music. And what I realized is the more raw the video is, like less salesy it is, it's going to take off. This one had no music, no text, and it took off. And it's because the hook was already strong enough, right? We had a strong hook. We had the car, we had the sunset, bada bing, bada boom. So literally from day 1 up until day 15, I posted a total of 31 videos. 31 videos brought in around 100 grand or 112 grand. And the key to it was seeing what worked before, seeing the videos that went viral, and then replicating it and just learning from my mistakes. So if you want to change your life, no one's going to change it for you. You know, this opportunity is here. People are making money with it. Ruben, he just cashed out, what, 8,000 bucks in the last week doing these methods, right? It's very simple. It looks harder than it really is. You're just posting TikToks, talking about products. We have 1,000 people inside of our community, an 11-hour video course. You can access it for free for 3 days. So if you want to check it out, TikTok Mastery is in the description. And just remember that every time that you post a video, you're getting 1% better. So just keep going, stay disciplined, and I promise you one day you're going to see results. And I know that day is soon because you guys are grinders and you are learning from the best. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, y'all.